Hello and welcome. We're thrilled to have you here and excited to embark on this learning journey together. Whether you're here to explore new places, streamline your travel, or enhance your business trips, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make you a real Google Map monster. We start with the basics, but don't skip ahead just yet. Even if you're familiar with the software, we recommend going through each lesson. We've designed this course to cover everything, including some insider tips and tricks you might not know. In this video, we'll delve into the key components of the Google Maps interface to help you make the most of this powerful tool. First, let's explore the search bar at the top of your screen. This feature is your gateway to finding addresses, businesses, landmarks, or coordinates. To the right of the search bar is the voice search button, which allows you to perform searches using your voice. We will cover this field and the search for specific queries in detail later. Next to the voice search button is your profile photo. Clicking on it opens the settings and additional functions of Google Maps. If you need any assistance or encounter issues, you can report problems, provide feedback, or access help resources here. Below the search bar, you'll find quick access buttons that provide features such as saved places and selected categories. Just below these, you'll find more buttons, weather conditions, and map layers. Central to the interface is the map area, where the actual map is displayed. This area is interactive. You can zoom in and out and move around to explore different locations. Use pinch to zoom on touchscreens to zoom in and out. Clicking the Directions button opens the Directions and Route area, where you can enter your starting and ending points to get route directions and choose your type of transport. There's also a compass and orientation icon in the bottom right corner. This feature helps you orient the map and shows the direction you're facing. Clicking this icon will reset the map's orientation to north. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the navigation bar, which contains several important buttons. The Explore button is usually represented by a location icon. It opens a list of nearby places, such as restaurants, cafes, hotels, and other venues that might interest you. The Go button provides quick access to information about your daily routes, showing traffic conditions and suggesting the fastest routes to your frequent locations, like home or work. The Saved button leads to a list of your saved places, such as favorite restaurants, marked locations, or places you want to visit in the future. The Contribute button allows you to contribute to Google Maps by adding reviews, photos, and information about places you have visited. It helps enhance the map's accuracy and provides useful insights to other users. The Updates button is here to help you receive updates about new places and events in your area, as well as personalized recommendations. Just familiarizing yourself with all these functions will enhance your ability to navigate Google Maps efficiently and make the most of its capabilities. Thanks for joining this lesson. In the next session, we'll dive deeper into search functions and customizing your map experience.